Now, when we're talking about the earthquake that took place yesterday in Pakistan and the fact that you have extensive experience with the National Disaster Management Authority, during these times, which areas are most vulnerable?
Michelle, essentially, the vulnerability of people in these areas is as a result of faulty development, poor construction, which is very often not compliant with the disaster risk reduction guidelines. Sometimes the state side's development is also not adequately compliant. And since the structures are not compliant with the envisaged hazard, so therefore they are the ones which create more problems.
Right.
When you see, say, unsafe structures or houses collapsing in this particular example where we've seen an embankment of the canal caving in at a number of places. So there certainly is deficiency in the construction standards of that canal bank.